everyone. Our topic is all about the cyberspace. Say cyberspace is a term used to describe the virtual world created by the interconnection of computer networks, particularly the internet. Here's an example. Imagine you're browsing the internet on your phone. You're checking your social media, reading your articles, and watching videos. All of these activities are happening within cyberspace. So, there are 4 threads in cyberspace. The first is what we call hacktivism. So, when we say hacktivism, it's a form of digital activism that uses computer hacking to achieve political or social goals. Hacktivists use their technical skills to disrupt systems, expose information, or raise awareness about a cause. Remember, a hacktivism is a complex issue with both positive and negative aspects. It's important to understand the motivations, methods, and consequences of this form of digital activism to inform your own informed opinion. The second threat of cyberspace is called cybercrime. When we say cybercrime encompasses any criminal activity that utilizes computers, digital devices, or networks. It's a broad term encompassing various illegal acts, often motivated by financial gain, but also driven by personal agendas or the desire to cause disruption. Cybercrime is an evolving threat with new methods and techniques, emerging constantly, staying informed about the latest threats and implementing appropriate security measure is essential for individuals, business, and governments to protect themselves from this increasingly complex and dangerous form of criminal activity.
Cyberterrorism. Cyberterrorism is the use of internet-based attacks in terrorist activities, including acts of deliberate, large-scale disruption of computer networks, especially of personal computers attached to the internet by the means of tools such as. Cyberterrorism happens when bad people use the internet to hurt others or cause trouble. They might attack computer system or steal information from personal computers. This is like a bully who tries to break into your computer or mess up website just to cause problem. Disadvantage of cyberspace. Personal information. If we use the internet such as name, address, etc., can be accessed by other people. If we use a credit card to shop online, then our credit card information can also be stolen, which could be asking to giving someone blank check. It means that when you use the internet, you might share your name, address, or even credit card details. If you're not careful, bad people can steal this information, and it's like giving a stranger a blank check and trusting them with your money. Pornography. This is a very serious issue concerning the internet, especially when it comes to young children. There are thousands of pornographic sites on the internet that can be easily found and can be determined to letting children use the internet. Pornography means adult content. That is not for kids. There are many websites with this type of content and it's easy to find. It's dangerous for young children because it can hurt their understanding of healthy relationship and make them feel uncomfortable. Spamming. This refers to sending unsolicited emails in bulk, which serve no purpose and unnecessarily clog up the entire system. Spamming is when people send a lot of unwanted emails to your inbox. These emails are not useful and just take up space, making it harder to find the message that matter. It's like getting a lot of junk mail that you don't need.
There are three types of measure of cyberspace. First is informational resources. It is internet is virtual library of informations. We can get any kind of informations in the internet, like in the Facebook, in the YouTube, or any kind of internet that we gain informations on any topic that we desire. It will be available on the internet. Also other technology that can we gain informations on the internet. And the second is entertainment. It's another popular reasons why many people prefer to surf the internet. We can download games and music instead of going out of our comfort zone to get the last and game for free or CD. There are numerous games that can be downloaded for free. For example, offline games. There are so many people that download the online games that free, that can never buy on the internet. And also there are many musics or video or games that we can use instead of out of our comfort zone. And the last is social networking. Also, social networking also plays a major role in cyberspace. One cannot imagine an online line without a Facebook or Twitter, Instagram, or any social media that related on cyberspace. Also, social networking has become so popular among youth that it might one day replace physical networking. It has evolved as a greater medium to connect with millions of people with similar interests. So social networking, there are many online like Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Instagram, or any kinds of apps that connected in social network that so popular. So also it involved as a greater medium to connect with millions of people, or either 10 millions with similar interests or differences interests. And that's all.